So if you are willing to invite someone as collaborator on Instagram but you are unable to do so or your collaborator option is not showing, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, I am Shivam from Gossip Funda YouTube channel and today we are going to fix this issue. And if you are also facing the same, then watch this video till end and let's start the video without any delay. So first of all, make sure your account should be public because this feature is mainly for the content creators and partnership works, mainly business related partnerships. So for that, your account should be public. First of all, disable your private account. You can simply disable your private account by going to privacy in settings of Instagram. Now switch your account to a business professional account. Now again go to settings, open privacy, tap on post and here you will see a column of who can tag you. Now allow it to everyone and your issue will be resolved. And now when you upload a new post, at the time of upload you will see an option of invite as collaborator. Invite whom you want and there you go. So I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like the video, also share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also visit to our website from given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.